Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of input box object or function in case of QlikView. Over here we can see a bar chart. So this is basically a bar chart which will be in the manner of ascending from lower to higher. I'll show you the database which I have imported and loaded in this particular sheet. Go to file menu. Or you can press Ctrl+C. This is basically a sales data, coffee chain sales data. You can see over here, I have taken a table of coffee chain sales. Click on OK. Now what we have to do, we have to use the input box, and with the help of that particular input box, if we are changing the value, so for that purpose we have to assign a variable. So we can go to this particular chart and you can right click on this particular chart, go to the property, over here in this particular case we have to right click on this particular chart, go to the property. So the variable which I have assigned, you can see this in case of your dimension limit. So the dimension which I have taken is nothing but product, and the expression which I have taken is nothing but your sum of coffee sales. So the numeric data or the numbers will be as an expression which will be taken on y-axis, whereas the dimension is taken on the x-axis, which is nothing but products. So dimension limits, you have to go to this limits, click on this particular checkbox, check which values are displayed here in the first expression. Select this particular option, show only, go to this particular variable 1. So this variable 1 I have created. So you can find out when you are going to this particular edit expression window, go to variables, click on this particular. First of all, click on the show system variables checkbox. So over here you can find out variable 1. So I will keep it as it is. So if we want to see the variable again, so we can see the variable from here only. Go to settings and go to variable overview. So here we can see this particular variable 1, so which we have created. So if any other variable want to create it, so we can click on this particular add button and then another variable can be created. Now go to this particular main sheet, right click over here, go to new sheet object, select the input box. Now if you want to give the title, I can give the title as bar chart level. Click on the add variable, variable 1, add it, click on this. Name is being given as bar chart level, or you can simply give it as label and click on OK. So I'll bring this particular over here. So I want to change this particular. This is nothing but input box object or input box function. And I'll click 1 over here and enter. So it is going to show me only 1 bar. If I want 4, I'll type it as 4 and enter. So it will be showing me 4 levels or 4 bars. So I hope you have understood how to use the input box object in this function in case of 6. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.